Alright guys, today working on a 2008 Nissan Quest. It's a 3.5. So we have a misfire on cylinder number 3, which is going to be right behind here on number 3, right on the middle. That's 1, 2, and 3. I have already removed those coils, so we're going to do ignition coil and spark plugs at the same time. I was able to remove the intake manifold without one piece, one assembly with the throttle body all together. How I did that, it's of course you have to start removing your air throttle body air hose filter that goes behind here. Second step is 2 bolts that are located right here in the back. This right here, 2 bolts on this bracket. All you have to do is go behind your throttle body and go behind here, the pipe, and with a 12mm socket and a 1/4-inch ratchet, you're gonna remove these 2 bolts. Once you get that, you're gonna remove the bolts that attach the intake manifold to the bottom intake manifold or plenum. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also you're gonna remove the guide pins, the studs. They go here, 1 on each side, so you're gonna remove that as well. Once you get that, you can remove this one too. Remove this one first, your EGR tube. Remove that. Also remove the guide pins, the studs. They look just like this. So you're gonna remove that. Disconnect all connectors attached on this side. And now once you have that loose, then you can lift it up and kind of put them on an angle, and then you can access 2 hoses on the back of the intake manifold. One hose is gonna be this one right here, and that one goes back over there, that hose, and it connects on behind of your intake manifold. There's another one that comes out of this EGR tube, no, PCV valve, comes out of your PCV valve back at an angle and into your intake manifold. There's a bracket that is connected to it. If there's this one right here, there's 10mm bolt in there. If nobody has ever removed this engine, or they did it, remove that bolt, so you're gonna have to remove it. I'm gonna show you here. This is one hose. This hose goes to your PCV valve, and that's the bracket. The hose one bolt in there for that wiring harness in the back. The bolts here, the two coolant hoses for your throttle body. And the way you're gonna remove them, again, you're gonna have to lift on one side. Once you got all the bolts undone, removed, you're gonna lift your throttle body up as one assembly, and then you're gonna be able to remove one coolant hose, and then you're gonna be also able to remove the one in the back. So that's how you do it, guys, without even removing anything here on the top. I have seen other people doing it, removing all this thing on the top when it's not necessary, and remove it as one piece is a lot faster. So hopefully these guys give you a better idea how to do it. If you like this video, if it helps you any, please subscribe. That will help me, and it motivates me to upload more videos. See you in the next one.